So I'm going past my Rice Krispie right here.
Yep.
Right? And then I can kind of go through from where I put it flat and do my...
So you're using a real carrot just for the texture?
Yeah,
Gotcha.
texture mat. Live texture mat. Now, pretty much everything has a backside.
I know I do.
Right. I certainly do. Roll it out good again. Now, when we go to paint this, it's going to be nice to have those little lines in there as our guide to paint a little bit. Good gracious, what am I doing here? Paint a little bit of our dirt-looking stuff in it so it looks like it's been freshly picked. All right, so there's a carrot. If we have time to do the other two, we will. But colorful carrots are like all the rage. These are real. And
those are real carrots?
These are real carrots. So that's why I did a purple carrot, a lighter orange carrot in the basket. I didn't want to do a white one because I don't think that would look very good at this basket, but just remember, they come colorful.
Interesting.
Bag. So if we have time, we'll get to that.
Okay.
And just so that you get the idea, this is the bark look we're going for. And as if this thing was kind of hollowed out right here. So this lighter band and then this bark, that's what I was going for.
Very cool.
With the basket. And then as if a galvanized handle had been drilled in with bolts to either side to make it into a basket. I like galvanized stuff. Okay, so let's do cabbage leaves. How's that? Green. Okay, I have a few different shades of green here. So this is kind of how I made this color, and I want it a little bit marbled because a real cabbage does not just have perfectly uniform flat color. To make your stuff look more realistic, look at the real thing. Like I had a real cabbage sitting out when I was doing it just to try to make it look like the real deal.
Always a good idea.
Yeah. Because sometimes just trying to go from memory.
Yeah.
Oh, last time I saw one in the grocery store, it looked like.
Yeah.
Not going to get you the best result. All right. Let's go like this.
Is that also fonderific?
This is all fonderific.
Okay, great.
Fonderific does, it's a good point though. Fonderific does knead well and mix well with Fondex. So then it'll dry some on you, but it'll give you a longer working time. Fonderific does have a slightly plastic texture, so it's not perfect for everything, but I do like it for quite a few things.
Very cool.
I'm brutally honest, so sorry.
It's okay. That's why we love you.
I'm gonna tell you like it is.
Tell it like it be.
Okay, now.
What is that you just sprinkled?
That's cornstarch again. This is
So is the one you just did is marbled?
Yeah, they both are. This one ended up slightly lighter, and on the inside of a cabbage, it's lighter colored than the outside.
Because from far away, it's all one color.
Really?
Yeah,
Okay.
that's where we got to zoom in and get a little more
Gotcha.
differentiation.
You make me out to be a liar. Like, no, it's not.
No, it's not.
Okay, we're gonna get 2 pieces out of this because it's nice and large. You want it pretty thin. There's no need to have it thick, even with doing the texture mat that we're gonna do.
Yeah.
All right.